Hello, Dan the Houseman here, changed out a toilet handle. I have turned off the water to the toilet and flushed it. And now we're going to take the flush mechanism chain off of the toilet handle, remove the existing toilet handle, and put on a new one. Now pull out this little pin. You want to put that somewhere safe so you don't lose it. I pull out this little pin and put it right next to it. Then I'm going to need a wrench to get that to initially loosen up. And the important thing to remember is that the nuts on a toilet handle turn the reverse direction of what a nut would normally turn on a bolt. So to actually loosen the toilet handle, we turn it this direction. That is that direction. You can see it loosening up. Slide that off. Move the handle around so it'll come out of the hole. This is your new handle. This is the Corky Universal Toilet Lever and Handle. Has some really unique features. Things like you can pull off this clip right here and pull this right off, okay? That's how you'll get access to the mounting nut. And again, the mounting nut threads are the opposite of what you would expect. Normally when you turn a nut this direction, you're tightening it onto a bolt. But on a toilet, it has reverse threads. We just put on there hand tight, get a hold of the wrench, give it just a little bit of a snug. That's all you gotta do. Don't go crazy. Remember, you're working with plastic threads, okay? Now, we take the handle, okay? It slides, you can see these grooves are up inside there if you look carefully enough. See those grooves? They slide onto these grooves and you can adjust it to wherever you want it to be, which you might want to call the orientation of where it's at, okay? I like to have it down a little bit so it's got more room to come up when you're flushing. So I move it down just a little, and this handle gives you that ability to do that without bending anything. I like that. Some of the old metal handles you had to bend. Now when I look at how this is oriented in conjunction with where the chain comes up, you want to have it so that the chain and this are pretty close together. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you don't want it to be coming over at an angle either. So in a case like this, you would remove this clip, okay? Lift this right here and then bring it over just a little bit. Then put that clip back in. It would help if I could see. See, even us old timers sometimes have to do a little readjustment. There we go. Right there. That's where it goes in and out. I just had to reorient myself as to where are the holes that that clip goes in. But that's about as hard as it gets, folks. From there, you take this guy here, you bring it up, you find a hole, put your pin through it, this pin here. It does have a tight fit for that pin, but it goes through just fine. And what I like to do is make it so that this hole is facing upwards so I can see it, okay? Then I slide this ring onto it, put the cotter pin back in, and we are done. It's really that simple. You now have a new toilet handle, full operation.